So I've been using my Corsair Hydro X for about 3 weeks now, and I just want to give my final thoughts on it. I run my computer normally at 4.8 gigahertz on all cores, so my max temperatures are around mid to low 70s. When I do run Prime 95 at 4.8 on all cores, it does go up to between 80 and 85. But that's much better than I was getting with the AIO, the 150i I was using previously. So I am happy with the results there. I was happy it came very quickly in the mail. I was not happy with how FedEx handled it because you have to be home to sign for the signature, and in my case, for some reason, FedEx would try to deliver once, leave a note if you're not home saying, "Oh, we're sorry we missed you, we need your signature. Oh, but by the way, you can pick it up from this place," even though we've only tried delivering it once. So I wasn't happy with FedEx. But that didn't really have much to do with Corsair. Putting it together, Corsair, everything was very simple. The directions were very easy to follow. The most difficult part of this that any beginner is going to have is measuring the tubing. Now, bending the tubing was very simple. I have a video right here if you want to see directions on how to do that. That was not the problem. The problem was measuring it, making the bends in the correct places. So I went through a few practice tubes before I was actually able to get the hang of it without issue and make it through the entire setup. So I really enjoyed the experience. Like I said, it's a little bit frustrating in some points, but as long as you keep at it, even if you're a beginner, it's going to be a great system. Just be careful with the fittings. Don't damage the O-rings because you do not want to spring a leak. I would just like to conclude by saying that I do recommend this product, especially to beginners that were, let's say, too nervous to start doing their custom water cooling and not knowing what parts to buy. The website does make it easy after learning how to navigate. It makes it very easy on just selecting the parts for you. All you have to do is put in the components you have in your system, and it selects it for you. So I do recommend it. It does get a little bit difficult, especially with measurements, but if you can get through that, learn how to measure properly, this is a very fun project to do. And not only that, it looks great as well. It looks much better now than before when I had the old blower style 2080 Ti, the FE, and then I had the AIO. So this is much better, and I do recommend this to everybody. So I'd just like to thank everybody for joining me, and please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below. I do answer my comments, so you will get a response from me. I just appreciate all the support, and please subscribe. You guys have a great day. Thank you.